And just a disclaimer here, I'm not saying you should do this at home, I'm just telling you how I did it. And before you do any electrical work, always unplug it so you don't get shocked. Issue number 2, your AC works but it's leaking. We had this model leak a little bit down here. Well, the cause most likely is that the drainage pipe that's in here is getting loose and there's a gap. So to fix this, we actually have to take the unit apart, and it's easy. I unscrewed this already. You can see there are several screws in here. There's one, there's another one, and then this unit in particular had some stickers, and I had to, you can see I had to peel this off here to actually get it to disconnect. And once that's unscrewed, you can basically take oh, there's 3 more screws down here. I took out 1, 2, 3. That was about it. So then you can actually take a whole unit off like that. There we go. That's it. There is your air conditioner. And the issue with the leak is, so let's see, that is the cooling coils here. That cools and it produces condensation. Condensation is like caught in here in this little tray, and it goes all the way to the right. And then you can see this back here, there is this this drainage hose. And in our case, like, it was basically, you can see my finger here, it was basically leaking here between the drainage hose and the connector. So then to take that thing off, those are those 3 screws down here that I mentioned. And once they're loose, you can carefully take the thing out. It's still connected, so we have to put it somewhere, maybe up there, safe. And you can see that is actually, that's the leaking part. So here, this connector that goes into that hose, and you can see someone fixed it already. So I think for now we're just gonna glue this back in, and then put it back up there. So put some glue here and some glue there and piece it all together, and that should fix your leaking air conditioner.